Pronghorn are native to the prairies of North America, but they are not a true antelope. At one time, they numbered in the millions, but with the European settlement of the plains, the population was reduced nearly to extinction. In Arizona, pronghorn are found primarily in the northern plains. They also inhabit high elevation meadows between forested areas, and scattered herds are found in the grasslands of southeastern Arizona. The endangered Sonoran pronghorn occurs in Mexico and southwestern Arizona. Pronghorn are found in mixed herds most of the year, except in the spring, when the bucks are alone or in small groups. In the fall, bucks collect harems numbering up to 15 does, which they then defend from other bucks. At 8 months, the gestation period for the pronghorn is the longest of the big game animals in the United States. Pronghorn have exceptional eyesight, often compared to high-powered binoculars. Despite being able to run faster than 60 miles an hour, pronghorn are reluctant to jump over objects, preferring to crawl under or through fences. Adult male pronghorn weigh 90 to 120 pounds. Females are about 20 pounds lighter.